I personally believe that while the participants or you Ayurvedic practitioners come and learn something, so what's more important for us is to, yes, learning is important, understanding the concepts is important, which is thoroughly explained in this particular webinar of Garbha Sanskar. But more important is, as soon as you finish learning the Garbha Sanskar or as soon as you finish the webinar, the next day itself you should be confident enough to conduct it on the Garbhini. So I believe a lot in that, and hence I personally make sure that all the files that are explained during the webinar are given to each and every participant, number one. Secondly, the presentations also given, ready presentations, that's the PPT presentation, are also handed over to the students so they can immediately from the next day onwards start practicing Garbha Sanskar. Because we are not here just to learn, but we should also make sure that we are capable of practicing it immediately once you complete the workshop, once you complete the webinar. That sort of confidence you should gain, and that confidence is gained once you learn everything in simplistic manner, how to conduct raga therapy, how to conduct musical therapy, how to conduct various meditation things, meditation programs, how to conduct brain programming sessions, how to conduct NLP, how to conduct Garbhini positive affirmations, various meditation files, musical files, mantra chikitsa, everything is taught properly in a simplistic manner, and that you can conduct very easily with on the Garbhini as soon as you learn or as soon as you complete the webinar. Also, when you are practicing in your own clinic setup, or while you are practicing in a proper big setup or a huge setup, or if you are practicing at the online setup, wherever you are practicing, you can confidently practice, you can confidently conduct those classes, and because you have already learned all the techniques in our webinar of this 30 days webinar. But beyond that, you also have all the musical and mantra chikitsa, all the files that are shown or that are taught or presented during the webinar, and also you can very confidently start conducting because it's simplified and very easy to understand and very easy to conduct it on the Garbhini. So hence, go ahead with this Garbha Sanskar webinar and go through the index, all the topics given in the index, right from the prenatal journey to the antenatal to the postnatal, preconception, Garbhini Avastha and Sutika Avastha, all these three avasthas are also completed. Along with this, along with other practical sessions that you need to conduct, even ANC part is also explained, what kind of panchakarmas are given before conception, during the Garbhini Avastha and postnatal also. And also most importantly, Ahar Chikitsa, Dinacharya, Vihar Chikitsa is also important. And beyond that, we being doctors, being Ayurvedic doctors, if there are certain Garbhopadrav, Sutika Upadrav in either of the Avastha, how to manage it in the Ayurvedic manner, how to manage it with regards to Dravya Chikitsa, Shaman Chikitsa, Shodhan Chikitsa, Pathya Palan, and also the Sadhya Sadhyatva. So these charts are also provided. So when you are actually practicing Garbha Sanskar, it's not only the practical things that you are conducting for the Garbhini, but it's also the ANC care that you can take while you are practicing the Garbha Sanskar. Beyond that, there are various other things which are taught, and most importantly, understanding why we are conducting it, because everything has a reasoning. If you are practicing mantra chikitsa, there's a reason beyond behind that why you're practicing mantra chikitsa. If you are asking them to practice certain brain programming techniques, neuro-linguistic techniques, or certain Garbha Samvad techniques, there is a reason and there's a scientific understanding for why we are doing these particular things and particular various meditation programs or various mantra chikitsa or musical therapies. So hence, thoroughly if you understand a topic in a simplified manner, and plus along with that, if you have all the availability of the notes, of the presentations, of the musical files and all the brain programming audio video files, you can easily practice immediately as soon as you complete the Garbha Sanskar webinar.